Yes, everyone, good morning. So guys, hope it is loud and clear to all of you, right? If yes, then just let me know in the chat box and we can start with the class. Yes, online students, so guys, hope it is loud and clear to all of you, right? Shall we start? All right. Okay. So guys, today we have the last class of this topic, time, speed and distance, right? In this class, we will be discussing about trains, because yesterday we have discussed the relative speed concept. So today we are going to use the same concept here. And after that, we'll be discussing some questions about boards and streams also, right? So guys, this is the YouTube channel where we are going to live. I mean, where we are taking the live classes, and this is the study material that we are following in this classes. And this is the test series. And these are some Telegram groups and channels for the discussion and regular updates, right? And these are some courses of ours that you can buy from the website. And now guys, let's start today's topic. This is problem based on trains, right? And before that, let me discuss about some concepts which are there in the train. All of you just think on it. If a train is like, if a train is, let's say, crossing a man, right? Man is just standing on a railway platform. Everyone, just think on it. Let's say a man is standing on a railway platform and the train is passing him, right? So, the length of the train is actually very much with respect to the width of the person, or let's say the pole, right? So if a train is crossing a pole, so with respect to the width of the pole, the length of the pole is actually very much, right? So the width of the pole can be neglected with respect to the length of the train. Correct, everyone? So it is an assumption that when a train passes a pole, a person or a tree, it covers the distance which is equal to its own length. Everybody clear? I repeat, if a train passes a pole, a person or a tree, it covers the distance which is equal to its own length. Is it fine, everyone? Right? Concept is clear? So this is for the person, pole and tree. Now, if a train is, let's say, crossing a railway platform or the bridge or the tunnel, right? So let's say this is a tunnel, fine, and let's say the length of the tunnel is B, fine, and here let's say the train is approaching towards the tunnel and the length of the train is, let's say, A, fine. This is the engine of the train, right? And guys, distance covered by the train is always considered as the distance covered by the engine of the train actually, right? Because the length of the train is this much, right? So the tip of the train, it covers, let's say, 100 meters, right? It moves 100 meters. So it will be assumed that the train is moving 100 meters. Getting it, everyone? So the distance covered by the tip, the engine of the train, is known as the distance covered by the train. Getting it, everyone? Right. Now, if I ask you, when you assume that the train has completely crossed the tunnel, everybody, when you assume that the train has completely crossed the tunnel, right? The train has completely crossed the tunnel. So just think on it. The train is going inside the tunnel, right? And this is the tip, right? Just think on it. So the train is getting inside and now it is completely coming outside, right? So this situation will be assumed as the complete crossing actually. The train has crossed the tunnel. Everybody clear? So now just think on it. This is A, right? This is A and this is B. So train is getting inside and completely coming outside. Now the tip of the train covered what? Everyone, it is at this point, right? Let's say this is A. So tip of the train has covered what? B here and then A here. Everybody, yes or no? So tip of the train has covered A plus B distance, A plus B meters or A plus B kilometers, whatever. Guys, yes or no? So when a train passes or crosses a platform, a railway bridge or a tunnel, it covers the distance which is equal to its own length plus the length of the platform. Guys, okay? Right? So there are two concepts here. Number one and number two. The concepts are written. So you may please note it down. Right? All of you. So these are the concepts that we have discussed. Okay? Yes, all of you? Guys, any doubt? Everyone? Sharing? Comfortable? Ibrahim? Fine? Okay. Pandey, it's clear? Alright. Akram? Done? Okay. Aditya? Good. Yes, everyone done? All right. Done? हो गया? हाँ? अब देखिए friends, as soon as like in the questions, let's say the question asks how much time the train will take to pass a man. For example, let's say the final question statement is how much time the train will take to pass a man. So as soon as you have read the train is passing the man, so what you can conclude from this data? Train's length is the distance, right? And as soon as you have read the train is crossing the bridge, then the sum of the two lengths will be the distance covered. Everybody okay? Right. So now the first question, everyone, just tell me the meaning of this question. The actual meaning of this question. Yes. पहले मुझे मतलब बताइए, उसके बाद सॉल्व करिए. What is the meaning of this question, guys? Saying something? Yes, everybody? What is the meaning of the question? Oh, what happened? See, guys, question is saying what? How much time the train will take passing the man nearby the railway line, right? It means what? The train will be covering, what is the distance of the train? I mean, the length of the train is 100 meters. So distance is being covered as 100 meters, right? आपको time निकालना है ना? Time is what? Distance upon speed. Speed is what? 30. So 30 is 5 by 18 हो जाएगा. Guys, done? Right. So this is 150. So this is 2 by 3. And this is 6. And 6 into 2 is 12. So all of you getting it? Right. So see, answer is not important. Important is by reading the question, you have to conclude, like in this question, the train is moving with 30 km per hour and it has to cover a distance of 100 meters. How much time it will take? This is the actual question. Everybody clear? Right? Okay. Please try to solve it. Done? Ibrahim, it's clear to you? Okay. All of you, fine now? Vim, it's clear? Alright. Guys, any confusion, any doubt, any one of you? No?
Sir, वो 5 क्यों आया?
ये 30 किलोमीटर पर आ रहे वो 5/18 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे ना, क्योंकि वो मीटर है, राइट? गाइस, इज इट क्लियर नाउ? ठीक है, आदित्य, इट्स क्लियर? ऑलराइट, गुड. इसके बाद देखिए, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन गाइस. हाँ, सो यू प्लीज टेल मी द मीनिंग ऑफ द क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, राइट? कि इसमें मुझे ये करना है, उसके बाद आप कीजिएगा. ठीक है, ओके. ऑल ऑफ यू शैल वी मूव? ऑलराइट. मुझे बताइए जरा, इस क्वेश्चन में आपको क्या करना है? पहले मतलब बताइए. यस, क्विक क्विक.
110 और 165 को प्लस कर दें.
275 हो गया.
275 हो गया.
और एक्चुअली 132 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से 275 मीटर ट्रैवल करने में कितना टाइम लगेगा, ये पूछा गया है. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन.
डिवाइड कर दें.
वो ठीक है. यस और नो गाइस, राइट? सो एक्चुअल क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट दे आर आस्किंग इज लाइक टू कवर 275 meters with the speed of 132 kilometer per hour, how much time is required? This is the actual question. Everybody clear? Now you can solve the question, right? देखिए, time is what? Distance upon speed, right? Here distance is the sum of the lengths of the train plus platform, right? जो भी है, that is 275 meter. So t is equal to distance upon speed. So distance is this, speed is this, into 5/18. Correct everyone? Now this number and this number, both the numbers are the multiple of 11. So this is 11 into 25, 11 into 12. So this is 2, this is 3, this is 5. 5 into 3, 15, 15 by 2 is 7.5. And the answer will be in seconds, guys. Last question was also, the answer was in seconds. Right? Yes, all of you, any doubt? Huh? No? Everybody, any confusion, any query, any doubt? No? Is it clear, everybody? Right? All right. Shall we move now? So just understand the question, calculation and everything, वो हो जाएगा. It's not a problem, right? आप सिर्फ इतना समझिए कि इसमें करना क्या है, बस. Rest everything will take in place. I mean, will fall in place. Don't worry. After that, guys, just look at this. Question is saying a train 150 meter long is running with the speed of 68 km per hour. In what time it will pass a man? ठीक है. As soon as you have read the man is passing a man, it means that, sorry, the train is passing the man, it means the train is covering this much distance only. Yes or no? Right? But here, who is running at 8 km per hour in the same direction in which the train is going? So this time both the objects are moving, train as well as the person, right? And direction is what? Direction is same. So actually both the persons are moving, that's why relative speed will be taken out, right? And in same direction it will be the difference. Everybody, yes or no? Right? So relative speed, because both the objects are moving, right? So relative speed will be what? 68 minus 8, because same direction is there. So this is 60 km per hour. So this question is actually asking what? You have to cover 150 meters with the speed of 60 km per hour. How much time it will take? That's it. Right? So this question is actually asking you have to cover 150 meters with the speed of 60 kilometers per hour. How much time it will take? That's it. Right? Please try to solve it and tell me the answer. This time you guys please do the answer. Tell me what will be the answer. 9 seconds. Alright. Guys, I'm getting one answer as 9 seconds. Can you confirm that? Yes, everyone, I'm getting one answer as 9 seconds. Kamal is saying, sir, it is 3 seconds. Okay. One more answer is 3 seconds. Just wait, guys. I'm getting one answer as 9 seconds. Another answer has 3 seconds. Ibrahim, can you tell me the answer? No? No, don't worry. Yep. 9 seconds. Akram, 9? 9? Okay. Shirin, got the answer? No? Okay, let me tell you. See, all of you, now I'm solving the question. T is equal to what? Distance upon time? Oh, sorry, distance upon speed. So distance is what? 150. How? So 150 divided by 60 into 5 by 18. Yes, the answer is 9. Why? Because 60 into 5 is 300. So 150 into 2 is 300. So this will be 9. Right? Okay. So simple. Right, everyone? Oh, so the answer is 9 seconds. So train will cross the person in 9 seconds. Guys, hope it is clear. Ibrahim, any doubt? Clear? Sharing, it's clear now? Okay, all of you? Done? Alright. Aditya, it's clear? Okay. So guys, now let's move to the next question. Almost similar question. मुझे ये बस बताइए कि कैसे करेंगे, बस इतना बता दीजिए. ठीक है? Quick. क्या करना है इसमें? 59 plus 7 कितना होता है? 66. Right. How much distance you have to travel? 220. With the speed of what? 66 into 5 by 18. Right. Guys, देखिए 11 into 6 and 11 into 20. Right. 11 into 2 is 22. Correct. Now 6 3s are this. 5 4s are this. 4 into 3. 12 seconds is the answer. Right. So as soon as you are clear with the process, right, only this much time is required to solve the answer. I mean, to solve the question, to get the answer, right? This time, both the objects are running in opposite direction. So when they are moving in opposite direction, then relative speed will be the sum of the two speeds. When they are moving in the same direction, then relative speed will be the difference of the two speeds. Right? Clear? Ibrahim, it's fine? Any doubt? No? Everybody clear now? Guys, done? All of you, right? So in all these questions, आप पहले मुझे बताएंगे कि करना क्या है, उसके बाद किया जाएगा. ठीक है? Right? लेकिन पहले आप मुझे बताएंगे कि ये किया जाएगा इस क्वेश्चन में. ठीक है everyone? Right? Okay. Now let's come to the next question. Yes, friends. पहले मुझे बताएं कि क्या करना है. All of you. बताएं जरा कि करना क्या है. हाँ जी. बताएं जरा कि करना क्या है. What? Okay. See guys, the question is saying two trains, their lengths are given, are running towards each other on parallel lines and their speeds are also given. In what time, the question is in what time they will be clearing to each other from the moment they meet, right? So just assume that the situation, this is train number 1, right? Let's say this is train number 1 and it looks like, just wait. Guys, this is train number 1. Oh, this is, let's say, train number 1, right? This is T1, and let's say this is T2, right? They are approaching towards each other. Question is, if they are meeting and then they are clearing to each other, right, everyone? So just think on it. When they are clearing to each other, which means what? Suppose that they are coming like this and clearing to each other, right? So the situation is they are covering the distance which is equal to the sum of their lengths. If you talk about the tips of both the trains, right? If you talk about the tips of both the trains, then the total distance traveled is equal to the sum of the two distances. I mean two speeds, two lengths, right? So total distance traveled will be what? 137 plus 163. What is this, guys? 300. Huh? So total distance traveled is 300 meter, and since they are moving in opposite direction, then relative speed will be taken into account and that will be the sum of the two speeds, right? So speed will be what? Speed will be 42 and 48, which is 90 km per hour. Right? So with this speed, you have to cover this much distance. What time you will take? This is the actual question. Right? See, all of you, this is 450 and this is 300. So this is 2 by 3. Right? And this is 6. The answer is 12 seconds once again. Right, all of you? Okay. So just wait. Here is the solution, right? Everybody fine now? Right? Any doubt, guys? Any confusion? No? Okay. चलिए. Is everyone done? All of you? Correct? Okay. So now again, the next question, you have to tell me the process. Okay, what is to be done in this question, right? And then you will be doing it. Huh? And guys, you are, whatever you do in your life, you first decide the things in your mind, actually. Right? And the first is like, thing is happening in your mind, inside your mind, and then it is manifesting here. I mean, the manifestation is being done here only. Think about it. Right? Suppose that you have to go to CP or you have to go to AIMS, right, for example. Then obviously you will think about it first. कि like, आप कहाँ से जाओगे? Suppose that आपको metro से travel करना है. तो you should be knowing about कि like आप कौन से metro station से पहले कहाँ जाओगे, फिर कौन सी metro change करोगे, फिर कहाँ जाओगे, right? और ये बाद में आप करेंगे फिर. आप समझ पा रहे हैं? But before taking action, you should be knowing what is to be done. Else, if you don't know, तो पता है क्या होगा? आप हो सकता है एम्स पहुंच जाएं. मैं मना नहीं कर रहा उस चीज़ के लिए. अगर आपको नहीं पता है कुछ भी तो आप वहाँ पहुंच जाएंगे. बट अगर आपको 1 घंटा लगना है तो आपको 3 घंटे लग सकते हैं. राइट? एग्जाम में भी यही होगा. सो बिफोर टेकिंग एक्शन, इफ द थॉट्स आर नॉट क्लियर, then you will take the time which is very much more than the required time. Getting it, everyone? Right? Okay. Anyways, now the next question is, guys, पहले मुझे बताएं क्या करना है. बताइए जरूर. Question is, 2 trains are this meter long, running in the same direction with the speed of this. In what time the first train crossed the second? What is to be done, guys?
दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करके डिवाइड कर देंगे.
किससे डिवाइड कर देंगे? क्या डिवाइड किया जाएगा किस में से?
सर जैसे 120 मीटर है माइनस 100 मीटर.
क्यों?
तो क्योंकि सर ये जो है सेम डायरेक्शन में चलते हैं.
Okay. They are going the same speed. No. Same speed से तो फिर क्रॉसेज वो पैरेलल चलती रहेंगी ना, तो क्रॉस ही नहीं करेगा. Right? Speeds are given, so speed you don't have to assume. Yes, everyone, क्या करना है मुझे बताइए जरा. क्या करना है वैशाली?
Take the second train as the distance.
अच्छा, why so? Why so? See, हाँ. What is to be done, guys? अक्रम क्या करना है? देखिए, सिचुएशन इज दिस, समझिए. ये 100 मीटर्स है, राइट? दिस इज द फर्स्ट ट्रेन, राइट? एंड इट इज रनिंग एट 72 किलोमीटर पर आवर. राइट, ये 100 मीटर है और 72 किलोमीटर पर आवर से जा रही है, राइट? एंड 54 किलोमीटर पर आवर train, let's say it is somewhere here, right? And this is 120 meter. Both of them are moving in the same direction. And obviously, since this train is faster, so anyways, in some time, after some time, this will overtake this train. Yes or no, guys? Right? Correct? So question is, in how much time the first train crossed the second? Right? And obviously, in how much time the first train crossed the second, if initial gap is not given between them, right? Then obviously you just have to assume by the moment the first is here, then in what time it will cross the second one. Getting it, everyone? So just think on it. ये जब इसको cross करेगी तो what will be the situation? It is here and it is crossing it like this. Now it will be here. Think about it, guys. Yes or no? So their distances, their lengths will be added, and relative speed will be the difference of the two speeds because they are moving in the same direction, right? So their lengths will be added, so that will be treated as the distance covered. So distance will be what? 220, right? And this is 18, correct everyone? So this is 5 by 18. So 18 cancelled. This is what? 44? 44 seconds is the answer. आप सोच के देखिए ना, पीछे वाली ट्रेन जो है आगे वाली ट्रेन को पूरी तरह से क्रॉस कर रही है, जैसे ये है सिचुएशन, राइट? तो ये जब इससे आगे यहाँ जाएगी ना तभी हुआ ना टोटल. तो इसने कितना कवर किया, इसके टिप ने कितना कवर किया? जस्ट थिंक ऑन इट. ये पहले यहाँ था इस पॉइंट पे, अब ये यहाँ पहुँच गया, कितना कवर किया इसने? A plus B, right? Clear? Everybody fine now, right? So you just have to think logically. वो हो जाएगा question. Question is not the problem, guys. You have to think. Okay? You just have to think. All right, that's good. Guys, clear now? Everyone fine? The situation is clear? The phenomenon is fine? Okay. Yes, guys, clear now? Shall we move? Huh? Okay. Chaliye. After that, guys, the next question. Now, can you tell me this question? कैसे क्या करेंगे पहले ये बताइए. All of you, can you tell me this? कि हम क्या करेंगे इसमें? Just read the question. Right, everyone? Just read the question. All of you, just read the question. Who will explain me the story of the question, guys? Any one of you can explain this question?
Sir,
हाँ.
the train is running with, मतलब train.
आप हिंदी में बोलिए ना, जैसे मैं आपसे हिंदी में बात कर रहा हूँ, राइट?
अरे ट्रेन है.
हाँ.
वो चल रही है.
चल रही है.
और एक अपोजिट डायरेक्शन से आदमी आ रहा है.
Correct.
आ रहा है. वो 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से वो वॉक.
हाँ, ट्रेन की तरफ जा रहा है.
ट्रेन 6 सेकंड ले रही है उसको क्रॉस करने.
करेक्ट, वेरी करेक्ट. हाँ.
और अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में 6 सेकंड में क्रॉस कर रही है.
ठीक है, very correct.
हमें ट्रेन की स्पीड पता करनी है.
ठीक है, बिल्कुल सही. Guys, the question is clear. Like a train is running and a man is coming to the same, to the opposite direction of the train, right? If the train crosses the man in 6 seconds completely, then at what speed the train is running? This is the question. ठीक है? मुझे एक बात बताइए फ्रेंड्स, ये सिचुएशन क्या है? उस व्यक्ति को, उस पर्सन को ट्रेन कौन सी स्पीड से जाते हुए दिख रही होगी? रिलेटिव स्पीड से जाते हुए दिख रही होगी यार. Right? The man must be feeling the train is going with the relative speed. Actually, the train is going so faster. Actually, like this. Yes or no? Because here, the speed of the train and the speed of the man will be added. Correct? तो उस person को ऐसा लगेगा the train is moving with the relative speed actually. Right? Correct? ठीक है? अब मुझे एक बात बताइए. The person, the train is covering the man in 6 seconds. Yes or no, guys? Time is what? Distance upon speed. This much distance has to be covered in this time. आप समझिए बात को. एक 100 मीटर लंबी ट्रेन एक पर्सन को 6 सेकंड में क्रॉस कर गई. तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि उसको इस स्पीड से ट्रेन क्रॉस करते हुए दिख रही होगी. Yes or no? Right? And what is this? आप इसको एक काम करें, इसको कन्वर्ट कर दें. ये मीटर पर सेकंड है, तो ट्राई टू कन्वर्ट इनटू किलोमीटर पर आवर. Correct everyone? So this is 3, this is 20, 20 into 3 is what? 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर. And friends, उस पर्सन को ट्रेन जो है 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से जाते हुए दिख रही है, लेकिन उस 60 के अंदर 5 उसकी भी स्पीड एडेड है, तो उस पर्सन का 5 इससे सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दीजिए, राइट? देन ट्रेन्स स्पीड विल बी लेफ्ट, राइट? So 60 minus 5, because this is the relative speed, right? Correct? The person must be feeling that the train is going with this speed, right? And this speed is the relative speed where the train's speed and the person's speed are added. Correct everybody? Yes or no? Right? Okay. Just think about it, guys. सॉल्व हो जाएगा. ना कोई मैथ्स है, ना कोई फॉर्मूला है, ना कोई कॉन्सेप्ट है, कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ दिमाग लगाइए बस. और जितने भी फॉर्मूले हैं ना, वो सब आपके थॉट प्रोसेस से ही निकल के आए हैं. क्या? अरे यार ये एस होगा, आई एम सॉरी गाइस, एस होगा, एस होगा, सॉरी. यस एवरीवन फाइन नाउ. This is S, speed. Speed is equal to distance upon time. I'm sorry. Yeah. Guys, is it clear now? Right? आप देख रहे हैं, मैं सिर्फ सोचता हूँ, लिखने में मैं गलती कर देता हूँ. Right? Is it clear, everyone? Right? Fine. Because my focus is on this or this or this, right? So ये सब immaterial हो जाते हैं. Yes, all of you fine now? Is it correct? I'll give you the same question, I mean the similar question like this. ठीक है? Now you have to tell me what is to be done in this question first, and then you have to solve the question. Right? All of you? Are you ready for the question? Everybody? Huh? Ibrahim, are you getting it? Pakka? Huh? Okay. So guys, please, I'm giving you the next question which is very much similar to this, right? Just leave it. Just, yeah. Guys, just read this question. पहले मुझे बताएं इसमें क्या किया जाएगा. Yes. पहले मुझे बताएं कि इसमें क्या किया जाएगा. Yes, all of you. पहले मुझे बताएं कि इसमें क्या किया जाएगा. क्या किया जाएगा इसमें? अक्रम. Yes, okay. तो what is to be done? हाँ ठीक है. ठीक है. हाँ, what is to be done? Something divided by something, right? This divided by, आप सिर्फ इतना बोलिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Yes, everyone. ओहो. हाँ, उलझ गए. देखिए एवरीवन, समझिए, मैं बताऊँ. गाइस देखिए, डोंट वरी. आप मुझे हु विल एक्सप्लेन मी द क्वेश्चन. आप पहले मुझे सवाल का मतलब समझाइए. अब उधर मत देखिए, अब छोड़ दीजिए. मुझे सवाल का मतलब समझाइए. कौन बताएगा? एंड लाइक अ स्टोरी, द वे वी आर टॉकिंग राइट नाउ. हु विल एक्सप्लेन मी द स्टोरी ऑफ द क्वेश्चन गाइस? वैशाली कह रही है सर मेरी तरफ मत देखिए. यस, मुझे पता है, मुझे पता है. यस, वैशाली को लग रहा होगा फेस रीडर भी है ये बंदा तो. यस एवरीवन, द स्टोरी ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज, एक पर्सन है, वो ट्रेन में बैठा हुआ है, राइट? और वो ट्रेन में बैठा हुआ चला जा रहा है, और उधर से पैरेलल ट्रैक से एक गुड्स ट्रेन निकल रही है, राइट? अ गुड्स ट्रेन इज पासिंग बाय ऑन अ पैरेलल ट्रैक in the opposite direction, and the length of the goods train is 280 meters, and the goods train is passing the man observes that the goods train is passing him in 9 seconds. And if the speed of the man's train is given, which is 50, right? Then what is the speed of the goods train? This is the question, guys. Just read the question. Yes. Yes. So all of you, मुझे एक बात बताइए आप सभी लोग, just think on it. When you are sitting in a train, suppose that, right? You are sitting in a train. Let's say you are sitting in a window seat, huh? And on the parallel track in the opposite direction, one more train is coming. So you can see that train is coming, right? Yes or no? And you can see that the train is going, and the train left, right? So you can see the entire train going in front of you. Yes or no, guys? So that 280 meters long train is passing in front of you in 9 seconds. It's passed completely in front of you in 9 seconds, right? So the train must be, you must be feeling that the train is going with this speed, because this is distance and this is time. So you must be feeling that the train is going with this speed. And what is this, guys? This is the relative speed, where the speed of the man's train and the speed of goods train is added, right? So just convert this into what? Into kilometer per hour. So this is 2 and this is 56. So this is 112 kilometer per hour. And in this 112, this 50 is already there. So subtract 50 from this. So this is 62, right? So the answer is 62 kilometer per hour. Everybody, the similar, everything is similar, right? In the last question also we did the same thing. Everybody clear now? Huh? Okay. Yes. Guys, it's clear? All right, everyone fine? Any confusion, friends? So what we are doing, we are just I'm just imagining the situation like I'm sitting in a train and the train is passing by. That's it. And the question is solved. Right? No maths, nothing is there, guys. Right? Okay. Nothing is there. कितना बेसिक है सब कुछ, आप समझ रहे हैं? कितना बेसिक है सब कुछ, राइट? लेकिन हम लोग इससे बहुत ऊपर उठ चुके हैं, पता है आपको? इस बेसिक से हम बहुत ऊपर उठ चुके हैं, ये प्रॉब्लम है हमारी, बहुत ज़्यादा, राइट? इसीलिए आपको पता है जब यूपीएससी की प्रिपरेशन आप शुरू करते हैं तो सबसे पहले आपसे क्या कहा जाता है? आपसे कहा जाता है कि बेटा एनसीईआरटी पढ़ो, राइट? समझ रहे हैं आप? वही तो है ये, देखिए ना, राइट? और अब आपको एनसीईआरटी पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, अब आपको उसको समझने की ज़रूरत है, क्योंकि उस वक्त आप इतने डेवलप्ड नहीं थे कि यू कुड रीड बिटवीन द लाइन्स, राइट? बट नाउ इफ़ यू रीड द सेम थिंग, तो अब आप उसको समझ पाएंगे कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली द रिटन इनसाइड दिस, राइट? लेकिन अब अगर आप उसको उसी तरह से पढ़ेंगे कि भाई अजूम किया आपने एक्स और वाई और ये वो, और या फिर आपने कहा कि हमने 3 महीने में क्लास 9th से 12th की एनसीईआरटी कंप्लीट कर दी, राइट? कुछ नहीं हुआ, कुछ नहीं किया आपने, फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग, राइट? कि हमने नोट्स बना लिए, हमने 3 महीने में कंप्लीट कर लिया, हमारे एनसीईआरटी खत्म, अब हम सोच रहे हैं अपना एथिक्स कर लें, एथिक्स 2 महीने में खत्म, और हम सोच रहे हैं अपना ऑप्शनल कर लें, ऑप्शनल 6 महीने में खत्म, सब खत्म, तो भाई खत्म। गेट एवरीवन? सो एनीवेज, आगे बढ़े हम लोग, हाँ? ओके, चलिए। सो गाइस, दिस इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट here, just read that. The concept says what? The concept says, if 2 trains start at the same time from point A and B towards each other, and after crossing they take A and B units time in reaching B and A respectively, then A's speed is to B's speed is equal to under root B by under root A. Guys, this is the concept which UPSC has not asked till date. Fine. Let's say this is point A and this is point B. One train is running towards B from A, another train is running from B towards A at the same time they have started, right? And let's say this is the meeting point M. So after meeting, let's say B takes what? क्या लिखा हुआ है? After meeting, B takes B units time, and A takes A units time to reach their destination. Correct? Then their speeds will be in the ratio. Speed of A is to speed of B will be in the ratio under root B is to under root A. Everybody fine now? Right? Under root B is to under root A. So this is the concept, fine. So let's not go to in the proof of it because it will be a lengthy one, fine. So अभी आप इसको as it is देख लीजिए because ये questions अभी तक पूछे भी नहीं गए हैं, लेकिन हो सकता है कि आ जाए. तो you should be knowing this concept only कि आ गया तो use कर लेंगे, नहीं तो कोई बात नहीं, ठीक? And if the question comes to this concept, the question will be coming very directly, right? I'll show you one question also, which was asked in one exam somewhere, right? Done, guys? देखिए, one question based on it and just tell me the answer just by looking at the question. Can you tell me the answer, guys? What will be the answer? Just by looking at the question. Yes, everyone? Yes. This is 4:3. I mean, under root 16 is to under root 9. This is speed of A is to speed of B. Right? Under root 16 is to under root 9. Right? So which is 4:3. The direct question based on that concept. Right? So if you understand this concept very well, you will hardly take 1 or 2 seconds to solve this question. That's it. Okay? Till now, by the way, UPSC CSAT did not ask the question based on it, but they may ask in future also. Right? They may ask in near future. So you should be ready for this, right? Everybody clear? Okay. All of you done? हो गया? Okay, चलिए. Pandey ji done?
Yes.
Okay. देखिए everyone, after that let's come to boats and stream. Boats and stream is actually a simple topic, right? Provided you should be knowing some terminology of it. मुझे ये बताइए, what is upstream and what is downstream? Everybody, what is upstream and what is downstream? Yes.
If we are going opposite to the direction of water,
Then
it is upstream.
upstream. Upstream means against the flow, right? It is against the flow, and this is with the flow. Right. Right, everyone? Okay. Done? Okay. So this is against the flow, this is with the flow. And everyone just assume that let's say the man is swimming in a river or a man is rowing a boat in a river, right? So man's rate of rowing in still water. Man's rate in still water is equal to, let's say, B. B stands for boat, speed of boat. And let's say the speed of the stream, speed of the current, speed of water flow or the stream, let's say it is S, right? Everybody clear? Man's rate in still water, let us assume it is B, and the speed of the stream, let us assume it is S, right? So now when you are going with the flow, then flow will support you guys. I mean, when you are rowing your boat with the flow, then flow will support you. So downstream means, let's say we are representing downstream with D. So D is equal to B plus S. Everybody, yes or no? Huh? Downstream will be what? B plus S. Flow will be supporting you. You might have observed one phenomenon. Escalator में क्या होता है? Escalator में you are just standing over escalator and you are reaching on the top, on the first floor or the second floor, right? You are not doing anything. But since the escalator is moving, right? And if you are also start moving, then आपको escalator का जो flow है वो support करेगा. Yes or no? So similarly here, if you are rowing with the flow of water, then water flow will support you. So your speed will be increased suddenly, B plus S. Your own speed is B and flow speed is S. I mean the water stream speed is S, then your speed will become B plus S. So downstream will become B plus S. And similarly, upstream will become what, guys? B minus S. Yes or no, everyone? Because if you are running against the flow, if you are like swimming or rowing the boat against the flow, then flow will oppose you. So this will be B minus S. Everybody clear? Right? So here, this is the only concept that D is equal to B plus S, U is equal to B minus S. That's it. And in the next slide, we have the concept with us, guys. देखिए. So, all of you, D is equal to B plus S and U is equal to B minus S. This is, let's say, equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. When you are adding these two equations, right, then S cancelled, 2B is equal to D plus U. I repeat, D plus U is equal to 2B, then B is equal to what? Right? Okay? And when you are subtracting these two equations, then BB will be cancelled, D minus U is equal to 2S, and S is equal to D minus U divided by 2. Guys, is it clear? Right? So this is the only concept in this chapter. All the questions are based on this concept. Right? Please note it down and then we will move to the questions. Friends, any doubt? Any query in this? No? Okay. All of you done now? Everyone? Shall we move? अब देखिए. Ibrahim, are you done? Shall I remove this? Okay. अब देखिए जरा. Just read the first question, everyone. पहले मुझे बताएं कि इसमें क्या क्या given है and what are they asking? Everyone? what is given in this question and what are they asking? All of you? Huh? D and U are given. And what they are asking? S. And there are two questions. And rate of current means S, and find man's rate in still water, right? Means B is also they're asking. And what they have given, upstream means they have given U and they have given D, downstream, right? So everyone, D is given, U is also given, right? What are they asking? B and S. So B is equal to D plus U divided by 2. So that is what? 8.5. 17 divided by 2. Right? So 8.5 km per hour. Okay. And what will be S everyone? बताइए जरा. ऐसे बोलिए quick. 1.5. Right? 10 minus 7 divided by 2. Okay? अरे क्या हो गया? हैं? Yes, all of you done? Yes. Right? Okay, please note it down if you want to. Right? Aditya, what happened? Pakka? Huh? Previous slide. What do you want to know? Just tell me. The formula is this now, which is written. B is equal to D plus U divided by 2. This is the formula. And S is equal to D minus U divided by 2. Okay. मुझे एक बात बताइए, अपस्ट्रीम का मतलब क्या होता है? आप ही बताइए, अपस्ट्रीम का मतलब क्या होता है? कोई बात नहीं. हाँ? देखिए, अप का मतलब क्या होता है? ऊपर, राइट? तो जब आप फ्लो के ऊपर से तैरने लग जाएं, तो आप समझिए आप उसके अगेंस्ट चल रहे हैं. नहीं तो आप उसके ऊपर तैर ही नहीं पाएंगे. आप सीधी सी बात है. अगर आप उससे तेज नहीं चल रहे हैं, तो वो आपको बहा ले जाएगा. Getting it? So upstream means against the flow and downstream means with the flow, right? So when you are upstream, then flow is reducing your speed actually. So this is minus, right? And when you are running with the flow, then flow will be increasing your speed. Then U is equal to D is equal to B plus S. Correct? ठीक है अभी? Okay everyone? So just think on it यार. सब हो जाएगा. Right? Clear? What happened? Yes. So now guys, let's talk about the next question. So you please first tell me कि क्या given है, क्या पूछा गया है. Right? उसके बाद करिएगा उसको. और देखिए आप कोई भी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे, यू विल बी नोइंग. आप जब एथिक्स में कोई केस स्टडी सॉल्व करते हैं तो आपको सबसे पहले क्या कहा जाता है कि पहले देखो कौन कौन से स्टेक होल्डर्स हैं, राइट? हाउ विल दे लाइक इम्पैक्टेड. आप समझ पा रहे हैं इस बात को? तो ऐसे ही इसमें भी है, कौन कौन से पैरामीटर्स गिवन हैं, वो कैसे रोल प्ले करेंगे क्वेश्चन के सोल्यूशन में, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज बीइंग आस्क्ड. आप समझ रहे हैं? एवरीथिंग इज सेम यार, कुछ भी अलग नहीं है गाइस. राइट? हम लोग सबको साइलोज में पढ़ने लगे हैं, ये प्रॉब्लम है. राइट? एवरीथिंग इज सेम. ओके, चलिए बताएं जरा, पहले मुझे बताएं क्या करना है. यस, ऑल ऑफ यू. क्या लिखा हुआ है क्वेश्चन में? बोलिए. सबसे पहले ना फाइनल क्वेश्चन स्टेटमेंट देखा होगा, मैं फिर से बता देता हूं. क्या है फाइनल क्वेश्चन स्टेटमेंट? फाइनल क्वेश्चन स्टेटमेंट क्या है? व्हाट एग्जैक्टली दे आर आस्किंग इन द क्वेश्चन? एस, राइट? यू हैव टू फाइंड एस. फॉर एस व्हाट इज नीडेड? डी एंड यू, right? S is equal to what? D minus U divided by 2. Yes? So to find S, you need D as well as you need U, right? So obviously for these two parameters, some data must be given in the question. Correct? Now everybody read the question. A man takes 3 hours 45 minutes. What is this, guys? 3 hours and 45 minutes. If you convert this into hours, what will be the value? Everyone?
235.
If you convert this into hours, 3 hours and 45 minutes, then what will be the final value? हाँ करिए, कोई बात नहीं, करिए. If you want to convert 3 hours and 45 minutes into hours total,
3.75.
3.75, that is good. And if you want to write it in the fraction form, then 3 by 4, right? See everyone, 45 minutes, guys, 45 minutes if you want to convert this into hours, so 45 by 60 hour, right? Yes or no? So this is 3 by 4 hour, huh? So 3 by 4, everyone, 3 by 4 means 15 by 4 hours. Yes or no, all of you? Right? So they have given you a very convenient value actually, right? So this is 15 by 4 hours. So question is saying what? A man takes 15 by 4 hours to row a boat 15 kilometer downstream, right? मुझे एक बात बताइए, downstream means what? Downstream speed, right? For speed, what do you need? You need two parameters, distance and time, which are given to you. So going with the flow, man takes 15 by 4 hours to cover 15 kilometers. This is written in the question, right? It means what is the speed downstream? What is the speed downstream? 15 divided by 15 by 4, which comes out to be 4. Yes or no, guys? Speed downstream is what? Downstream is 15 divided by 15 by 4. Yes or no, friends? Right? Right. This is 15 by 4. This is 15. And obviously, going with the flow, a man takes 15 by 4 hours to cover 15 kilometers. Right? Which means, man takes, the man is, downstream speed is 4 km per hour. Right? Similarly for upstream, देखिए upstream में कितना simple data है, guys. What is this? If you convert this into hours, पहले बताइए. 2.5. How much distance is covering? 5. What is the speed? 2. So upstream is like 5 divided by 2.5. So this is 2 km per hour. Guys, how simple the question is, right? Now what do you find? You have to find what? S. S करना है ना, S. S is equal to D minus U divided by 2. So this is 4 minus 2 by 2, which is 1. Right? हो गया ना? ठीक है. देखिए, क्वेश्चन ये है कि आपसे पूछा गया है फाइंड द रेट ऑफ द स्ट्रीम, वाटर स्ट्रीम, राइट? ये लिखा हुआ है ना, रिवर करंट मीन्स स्ट्रीम कौन से, मतलब रिवर कौन से स्पीड से फ्लो कर रही है. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. रिवर फ्लो की स्पीड क्या है, राइट? सो टू फाइंड एस, व्हाट डू यू नीड? मुझे ये बताइए, एस क्या होता है? एस का फॉर्मूला तो ये होता है, राइट? एस इज इक्वल टू डी माइनस यू डिवाइडेड बाई 2. ठीक है. अब आपको डी और यू चाहिए होगा एस की वैल्यू को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए. तो अब देखिए क्वेश्चन में डी और यू कैसे फाइंड आउट किया जा सकता है. डी और यू दो पैरामीटर चाहिए ना आपको, वो कहाँ से आएंगे ये देखिए. उसके लिए एक डेटा ये दिया हुआ है कि डाउन स्ट्रीम मीन्स गोइंग विद द फ्लो. Downstream means going with the flow. A man takes 3.75 hours or 3.45 whatever. This is 3 by 4 hours or 15 by 4 hours to cover 15 kilometers with the flow. Right? अब मुझे एक बात बताइए, 15 किलोमीटर कवर करने में 15/4 घंटे लग रहे हैं, तो स्पीड निकाल सकते हैं आप? डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम है, स्पीड निकाल लेंगे. ये जो स्पीड होगी ये डाउन स्ट्रीम होगी, एक्चुअली डी होगा ये. सिमिलरली आप यहां पे भी स्पीड निकाल सकते हैं. ये जो स्पीड होगी दिस विल बी अप स्ट्रीम, यू होगा ये, राइट? डी आ गया, यू आ गया, डालिए फॉर्मूले में और आंसर निकाल लीजिए. डन? एवरीवन फाइन नाउ? Vishali, any doubt? No? Okay. Maybe it's clear now. Okay, that's great. Shall we move, guys? हाँ, ठीक है. पांडे जी अभी हो गया है, कंफर्टेबल हैं? चलिए. देखिए, मुझे ये बताइए इसमें क्या करेंगे. पहले मुझे बताइए इसमें क्या करेंगे. यस. ऑल ऑफ यू क्या करेंगे. क्वेश्चन इज अ मैन कैन रो 18 किलोमीटर पर आवर इन स्टिल वाटर. व्हाट इज दिस. बी. वेरी गुड. अच्छा ठीक है. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट पढ़ा एंड वी जस्ट गॉट टू नो दैट द बी इज गिवन इन दिस क्वेश्चन इन द फर्स्ट लाइन. ठीक है. आफ्टर दैट इट टेक्स हिम थ्राइस एज लॉन्ग टू रो अप एज टू रो डाउन. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इट. Yes. Here the ratio of the time is given. अब तो सुधर जाओ. देखिए everyone, here the ratio of the time is given. The question is saying what? It takes him thrice as to row up as to row down. आप समझिए बात को कि डाउन स्ट्रीम में if it takes 1 unit time, then up stream में it takes 3 units of time. Right everybody? Huh? Okay. So speed will be in the ratio of what? 1:3. All of you fine. अच्छा, मुझे ये बताएं जरा, ये क्या होता है. ये होता क्या है. अप स्ट्रीम कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं. नहीं, दैट इज फाइन. अप स्ट्रीम का मतलब क्या होता है. बी प्लस एस और बी माइनस एस. यस, दिस इज बी माइनस एस. राइट गाइस, दिस इज बी माइनस एस. ओके, रुक जाइए. दिस इज बी माइनस एस. ठीक है, ये आपके अपने रेफरेंस के लिए लिख रहा हूं सिर्फ. ठीक है, इसकी जरूरत नहीं है क्वेश्चन में. एंड दिस इज बी प्लस एस. यस और नो गाइस. आप समझिए, ये हिडन टर्म्स हैं, लेकिन इनको देखने की कोशिश करिए. राइट, हियर दिस इज द रेशियो ऑफ, आई मीन दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ b माइनस एस एंड हियर दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ b प्लस एस. राइट, एंड द रेशियो ऑफ b माइनस एस एंड b प्लस एस विल बी व्हाट. 1:3. जस्ट थिंक ऑन इट गाइस. b minus s is equal to 1, b plus s is equal to 2. Think on it. Sorry, b plus s is equal to 3. Right? So just think on it. They are actually what? They are actually 1 and 2. b and s are what? 1 and 2. Actually 2 and 1. Right? If you are able to find it like just by seeing at the values, then it is fine. If you are not able to find it like this, then try to solve these two equations. If you cancel them out, then 2b is equal to 4, b is equal to 2. Right? And s is equal to what? S is equal to 1. Guys, is it clear? ठीक है, मुझे ये बताइए, आपका ये कितना आ रहा है. b कितना आ रहा है. 2 और s कितना आ रहा है. 1. राइट. अब आगे क्वेश्चन बताइए क्या कह रहा है. क्वेश्चन है फाइंड द रेट ऑफ द स्ट्रीम. क्या किया जाए बताइए. 90% द क्वेश्चन इज सॉल्व्ड इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. अब मुझे बताइए क्या किया जाए. हाँ हाँ बताइए, आराम से बताइए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. आप जो सबसे फर्स्ट इंफॉर्मेशन है ना, उसको इग्नोर कर रहे हैं. यू आर नॉट यूजिंग द फर्स्ट इंफॉर्मेशन गाइस. व्हाट द क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग एट द वेरी फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, b is given as what? 18. And what you have found? 2. Yes. So 2 unit is equal to 18. Then 1 unit is equal to 9 kilometer per hour. Guys, yes or no? Right. And what the question is asking? S. S you have already found as 1. So what is the answer 1? 1 means 9 km per hour. Clear? ठीक है? So informations जितनी भी दी हुई हैं सारी की सारी important है. Right? Okay.
So B is the speed in still water.
B is the speed in still water. Yes, correct.
But they are asking the
See, the thing is, we have calculated B here as 2, right? And initial part of the question is saying B is equal to 18, right? So they have to be equal. So we have just compared 2 as 18, so 1 is equal to 9, right? And S we have calculated as 1, so it means this will be 9 km per hour.
the speed in still water.
Speed in still water is B. Boat's speed in still water is assumed as B.
So
Yeah.
the speed downwards. they are asking.
What?
So what is the question? To find the rate
The question is find the rate of the stream, means at what speed the water is flowing.
downwards.
No, water is flowing normally. Water doesn't flow downward or upward. If you row the boat in the stream, actually, then it may be against the flow or with the flow. But the flow is like in its own pace, in its own speed actually, in its own direction. Correct? Right? Clear now? So guys, what we have studied in time, speed and distance, time and speed ratio, okay? So that concept is useful here. All right? Getting it? So everything is connected, right? आगे बढ़े हम लोग? आगे बढ़ जाए? Vaishali, any doubt? No? Shitting now it's clear? Okay. Ibrahim, done? Okay, चलिए. So आगे बढ़ते हैं everyone now. The next question. पहले मुझे इस सवाल का मतलब समझाइए. ठीक है? Yes, everyone, just tell me the meaning of this question first, then you need to solve it. ठीक है? Just tell me the meaning of this question first, then you need to solve it. Yes. And can you relate this question with some concept that you have studied in the past? Yes, all of you. Can you relate this question with something that you have studied in the past? Yes, guys, this question is based upon average speed concept. Right? The only difference is, earlier we have studied average speed with respect to this plain ground, right? Now we are studying with respect to the river or water, correct? So the question is saying what? The question is saying this is, question is saying there is a river, it is like this, there is a river, right? So, and two persons are standing here somewhere, and they have to go here at this point and they have to come back again here, right? So one person is choosing this path through the river, another person is choosing the path which is like going by road. Okay? There are two persons, just look at the question. One is moving with cycle, another is moving with what? Boat, correct? So the question is, which of the two friends will return to place A first? So can you tell me what exactly the question is asking? Huh?
किसकी स्पीड ज़्यादा है?
Yes, the question is actually asking whose average speed is more. Very good, right? The question is actually asking whose average speed is more. This is the question, guys, right? So the situation is you have to go here and come back here. It is like this, right? So the average speed is what? 2ab upon a plus b. This is case 2 of average speed, everybody. Right? Ibrahim, you might be not getting it because this is the related with the last class, right? So the average speed is 2ab upon a plus b kilometer per hour. Okay. Now cyclist. In case of cyclist, guys, मुझे ये बताइए cyclist का average speed क्या होगा? Cyclist is moving with what? कितना है? 12. So he is going with 12 and coming back with 12. So average speed will be 12 only. 2ab upon a plus b. So it will be 12 only, right? So for cyclist, the average speed is 12 km per hour. But what about boatman, guys? Huh? What about boatman, the person who is using boat? So yes, in one direction flow will be supporting him and in another direction flow will be opposing him actually, right?
6 and 14.
Yes. So his effective speed will be, let's say, what is his speed? 10. So his effective speed, let's say for onward journey the flow is supporting him. So for downward journey flow will be opposing him actually, right? Everyone, yes or no? So this is 14 and this is 6. So his average speed, so average speed of cyclist and average speed of boat. This will be what? 2 into 14 into 6 divided by 14 plus 6, which is 20, guys. Right. So this is what? This is 10. 14 into 6 is what? 84. 84 by 10 is equal to 8.4 kilometers per hour. Right? So obviously the average speed of cyclist is more. Right? So he will reach to the point A first. Right, everyone? He will reach to place A first. Fine. So by reading the question, you should have this ability to catch the actual question from it, right? To extract the actual question from it. Okay, guys, the context of the question. आप मेंस में भी यही सुनते हैं कि क्वेश्चन का कॉन्टेक्स्ट क्या है, राइट? डन? और क्वेश्चन के कॉन्टेक्स्ट को पहचाना पांडे जी ने, राइट? पहचान ओके चलिए, let's move guys to the next question. Shall we move now? Everyone? Aditya हो गया, Ibrahim done. So the next question is, everyone, ये क्या है? क्या लिखा हुआ है इसमें? बताइए जरा, क्या लिखा हुआ है इसमें? क्या करना है? ये है क्या? Can you relate this question with something that we have studied in the past? Yes, all of you. Can you relate this question with something that we have studied in the past? Huh? Yes? Quick. Vimy, can you relate this with something? Huh? Yes. Yes, this question is based upon average speed case 2, and the question that we have solved was village and post office question. What was the catch of that question, guys? What was the catch in that question? Yes, quick.
We have done like
That is okay. Then finally what we have done?
only we did
Finally we have divided the answer by 2. Everybody please, in case 2, when the distance have been asked, then it will be divided by 2, because if you use the formula, this will give you the total distance to and fro journey, right? Yes or no? इतना आपको पता होना चाहिए इस क्वेश्चन को शुरू करने से पहले. This is the prerequisite of this question. अगर नहीं पता है तो कुछ भी होता रहेगा वहां पे. आप समझ रहे हैं, राइट? देखिए जरा. Yes, guys. So this is what they are asking. They are asking the distance. Distance is what? Speed into time. And speed will be average speed this time, right? Because in one direction the flow will be supporting you, in another direction the flow will be opposing you. So there are two different speeds. So average speed will be taken out, right? So this is what, guys? 7.5 plus 1.5 divided by 2. What will be that? Huh? Boliye. This is 2AB. 9 into 6 divided by 15. Yes or no? Because when you are going with the flow, then 7.5 plus 1.5 will be the speed. Yes or no? And when you are coming back against the flow, then the speed will be 7.5 minus 1.5. Like as 10 plus 4 and 10 minus 4 we did in the last question. So here 7.5 plus 1.5 in one direction and 7.5 minus 1.5 in another direction. Yes or no, guys? Huh? So the average speed will be this. So this is 2 into 9 into 6 divided by 15, and time is what? Time is 50 minutes. Guys, 50 को एक काम करिए आप R में convert कर दीजिए. So this will become 50 by 60. Right? So here this will be cancelled, this will be cancelled. Right? And this will be 3, and this will be what? 3, this will be 6. But this 6 will be divided by 2. Because you have to find that distance, right? So this will be total distance of both the sides. So this number will be divided by 2. So 6 kilometer divided by 2, this will be give you the answer as 3 kilometer. This is the final answer, guys. Getting it, everyone? Right? So everything is connected to everything, right? Is it clear, everyone? So you should be, friends, आपको क्वेश्चन देखते ही एग्जाम में भी अगर समझ में आ गया कि ये क्वेश्चन यार उससे कनेक्टेड था, वहां पे मैंने ये किया था तो इसमें ये किया जाएगा, तो आप क्वेश्चन को करने में बहुत कंफर्टेबल हो जाएंगे. लेकिन अगर आप कोई रिलेशन एस्टैब्लिश ही नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो फिर प्रॉब्लम. एवरी क्वेश्चन इज अ न्यू क्वेश्चन टू यू. समझ रहे? राइट? यस. Yes, everyone done? All of you? Done? Any doubt? Anyone? Any confusion? Any query? No? चले आगे बढ़े? हाँ? Ibrahim? Getting it? Okay. No. Friends, this question, right? Just read it and suggest an approach for this question. I'm not asking you for the answer or anything. Just suggest an approach for this question कि कैसे करेंगे इसको. Guys, पहले मुझे बताइए, लिखना बाद में. पहले बताइए क्या किया जाए. इक्वेशन बना लिया जाए. अच्छा, इक्वेशन में कितने वेरिएबल होंगे बताइए. बताइए. इक्वेशन वाली अप्रोच को अगर हम रूल्ड आउट भी करते हैं, सपोज दैट, देन वी शुड बी नोइंग कि इक्वेशन से जाने में खतरा क्या क्या है, या इक्वेशन से जाने में क्या एडवांटेजेस है, राइट? क्या प्रोज एंड कॉन्स हैं उसके. यू शुड बी नोइंग इट. तो मुझे बताइए जरा कितने वेरिएबल अज्यूम करने पड़ेंगे. Yes, we have to assume at least 2 variables, and in these type of questions the calculation will be very complex. उसका रीज़न ये है कि ये डायरेक्ट नहीं दिया हुआ है कुछ भी, ये अप स्ट्रीम डाउन स्ट्रीम के टर्म्स में दिया हुआ है, तो माइनस करना पड़ेगा आपको. समझ रहे हैं? प्लस माइनस समथिंग समथिंग, राइट? तो बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स इक्वेशन बनेगा. तो इसलिए इक्वेशन वाले मेथड को आप रूल्ड आउट कर दीजिए. ठीक? राइट? ये जरूरी है, ये एनालिसिस जरूरी है क्वेश्चन में जाने से पहले, राइट? अच्छा, इफ यू आर नॉट यूजिंग इक्वेशंस देन व्हाट? सो लेट मी हाँ व्हाट हाँ नहीं प्लीज नहीं, अरे अच्छा ठीक है. See, if equation, I mean if you're not doing it with equation, then what? Then guys, the only process is hit and trial for this question, right? But for hit and trial, you should be knowing which type of value should be substituted, right? And I'll be showing you the values. ठीक? देखिए सर, मुझे ये बताइए, a man can row 40 kilometers upstream, 40 kilometers upstream and 55 kilometers downstream. 40 kilometers upstream, 55 kilometers downstream in 13 hours. This is case number one, first condition, right? The second condition, he can row 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream in 10 hours. Guys, there are two conditions for this question. This is condition number one, this is condition number two. Right? देखिए जरा इसको. ठीक? देख रहे हैं? मुझे ये बताइए, what is this? This is time. Yes or no? If this is total time, then this must be the sum of two times. This is like here, the time taken by him, guys, just read the question properly. The time taken by him to cover 40 km upstream and the time taken by him to cover 55 km downstream is equal to 13 hours. Yes or no, guys? Read the first statement carefully. ये बताओ, only this one. Time taken by him to cover 40 kilometers upstream and time taken by him to cover 55 kilometers downstream is equal to 13 hours. Yes or no? Time होता क्या है? Time means what? What is the formula? Time क्या होता है? Distance upon speed. Right? Time is distance upon speed. So guys, this is distance. Speed आपको पता नहीं, right? And here, let's say this is speed, तो खैर upstream ही है, right? And here it is downstream. Guys, yes or no? Correct? And similarly, so you have to divide this value with some number, this value with some number, and the addition will be 13. Getting it? Similarly, you have to divide this number with something plus this number with something and addition will be 10. Guys, yes or no? बोलिए. अच्छा, अब एक बात समझिए. If the person is like, the person has some speed in upstream direction, then that speed will be same here and here also. Because these are two conditions.
8 and 11.
Yes. So everyone just think on it. If he has some speed in downstream direction, so that speed is like used here and here also. मुझे ये बताइए, which number is the factor of these two numbers? 11. So just try it with 11, everyone, right? So if I put 11 over here, this will be 5, right? Just tell me, this will be 5 and this is 13, so it should be what? 8. To become 8, 5, sorry, this will be divisible by what? This will be divided by 5, right? And similarly this will be divided by 5. Up check it out, क्या 5 रखने से ये satisfy हुआ? Is this getting satisfied? So here the answer is 4, here the answer is 6 and 10. Data matched, right? Question solved. इतना क्लिक ऐसे करेगा कि जब आप सोचेंगे कि यार ये है क्या, ये क्या दिया हुआ है? ये दिया हुआ है 2 times का सम ऑफ 2 टाइमिंग्स इज इक्वल टू दिस. और टाइम निकलता कैसे है? डिस्टेंस में स्पीड को डिवाइड करके टाइम निकलता है, राइट? तो जब आप ये सोचेंगे तो ये क्लियर हो जाएगा, राइट? इक्वेशन से आप नहीं कर पाएंगे, नहीं तो फिर पता नहीं एग्जाम में एक ही सवाल होगा और शायद वो बिल्कुल सही होगा क्योंकि आप बहुत टाइम देंगे उसमें. Yes. Yes, getting it, everyone. Right. Friends, you have to be smart enough, right? मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, your thought process will create all the differences. सही बता रहा हूँ आपको, right? Yes, all of you done. Done, everyone. So if in the examination this question comes, then you have to solve this question with hit and try. Right? That's it.
ऑप्शन
Option, question क्या है? Question क्या है? Question है, find the speed of the man in still water and the speed of the current. ठीक है? आप समझिए. अब मुझे ये बताइए, U की वैल्यू आई है 5 एंड D की वैल्यू आई है 11. ठीक? सो आपको निकालना है B और आपको निकालना है S. सो B इज इक्वल टू वॉट? B इज इक्वल टू D प्लस U डिवाइडेड बाई 2. सो ये हो गया 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर. राइट, दिस इज D प्लस U डिवाइडेड बाई 2 एंड दिस इज D माइनस U डिवाइडेड बाई 2. सो दिस विल बी 3 किलोमीटर पर आवर. राइट? ओके, सो एक्चुअली in options these values will be written. Getting it, guys? These values, not exactly these values, will be written in the options, right? And moreover here, by the way, I have asked two values. In the question they will ask only one value, right? They won't be asking like still water may speed and the speed of the current. They will ask what is the speed of the current, suppose that, and let's say the option is written as 3 km per hour. Then what you will do with this 3 km per hour? बताइए.
यही वाला मेथड.
यही करना होगा, राइट? यही करना होगा. Yes, everybody clear with this? Okay? All right. मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूं. आप एग्जाम का एक क्वेश्चन देखिए, यूपीएससी का क्वेश्चन देखिए. Friends, one question of this topic, boards and stream, which has been asked in UPSC. Question number 1, page number 252. Everybody, page number 252, question number 1. Right? Question number 1, page number 252. This question was asked in which year, guys? Huh? 2020. All right. What are the options? 1 is to 2, 2 is to 1, okay, and 3 is to 1, huh? ठीक है. And the statement of the question says what, guys? I'm reading the question for you. A man takes half time in rowing a certain distance downstream, then upstream. What is the ratio of the speed in still water to the speed of the current? Right? B is to S. Speed in the still water to the speed of the current. यही है ना question? All of you. Speed in the still water to the speed of the current. This is the question, right? Everyone, yes or no? Correct? अच्छा friends, इधर देखिए जरा. Look at these 4 options. Just read the question and look at the 4 options. Just read the questions and look at the 4 options. Let's say this is option number 1, option number 2, option number 3 and option number 4. Some order is changed, but ठीक है. Let's say these are the 4 options, right? Read the question again and look at the 4 options, right? Read the question again and look at the 4 options. Guys, can you tell me, इधर देखिए जरा, can you tell me which of the given options are absolutely wrong? Which of the given options are absolutely wrong?
A and C.
Why? ये वैल्यू अप स्ट्रीम डाउन स्ट्रीम की नहीं दी है, ये वैल्यू किस चीज की दी है देखिए जरा,
स्ट्रीम की और करंट की।
ये वैल्यू दी है मैन की स्टिल वाटर में स्पीड इज टू रेट ऑफ स्ट्रीम, बी एंड एस की वैल्यू दी हुई है, लेकिन आपका लॉजिक सही है, ठीक है गाइस। स्ट्रीम की स्पीड मैन की नॉर्मल स्पीड से, मतलब मैन की स्टिल वाटर की स्पीड से ज्यादा नहीं हो सकती, आई मीन एस कांट बी ग्रेटर देन बी, एल्स अप स्ट्रीम वोंट बी पॉसिबल। आई रिपीट, in all the cases B has to be greater than S because man is rowing upstream ना, so B should be greater than S। आप समझिए, एक बात सोच के देखिए, आप एस्केलेटर में जो एस्केलेटर टुवर्ड्स आई मीन डाउनवर्ड जा रहा हो, आप उससे सोचें कि आप ऊपर चले जाए, राइट और एस्केलेटर की जो मूविंग स्पीड है, आप उसकी स्पीड से स्लो ऊपर जाने की कोशिश करें, आप कभी ऊपर जा ही नहीं पाएंगे। You have to surpass the speed of escalator to going downward if you have to go upward, yes or no? आपको उसकी स्पीड से ज्यादा तेज जाना होगा तभी आप उसमें ऊपर पहुंचेंगे, नहीं तो आप ऊपर नहीं पहुंचेंगे, पॉसिबल ही नहीं, राइट। सो सिमिलरली for upward movement B has to be greater than S, yes or no? For upward means upstream movement actually. Everybody, yes or no? Vaishali, it's fine now. Huh? For upstream movement, B has to be greater than S. Correct. So all of you एक बार इधर देखिए जरा, मुझे ये बताइए, options where B is less than S are not correct. Yes or no? Options where B is less than S are not correct. Guys, yes or no? So this option is not correct. This option is not correct. I mean 1:2 and 1:3 is not correct. So answer can be either 3:1 or 2:1. Correct all of you? Right. Now just think on it, friends. What is this? What is the formula for this? This is d plus u by 2. What is this? Right? Okay. Everyone, क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग टाइम टेकन बाय द मैन, ऐसा कुछ लिखा हुआ है ना, क्या लिखा हुआ है? इट टेक्स हिम ट्वाइस, क्या लिखा हुआ है बोलिए जरा। A man takes half time rowing a certain distance downstream then upstream. Everyone, if here it is 1 then here it is 2 time, all of you, yes or no? बोलिए। So speed will be what? Speed will be in the ratio 2:1, yes or no? Acha, D is what? D is B plus S divided by 2, right? And this is B minus S divided by 2. Guys, just think on it. If you need to find the ratio, right, then this divided by 2 can be cancelled. Yes or no? So the ratio of B plus S is to B minus S should be in the ratio 2:1, yes or no? Right? So in this option, this is 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. This is the ratio of 2:1. Right? So 3:1 will be the correct choice. Everybody, yes or no? Right? Clear? Okay. मुझे एक बात बताइए, आप सिर्फ उन ऑप्शंस को देखिए जहां पे दोनों का सम, दोनों के डिफरेंस का डबल हो जाए, बस वही आंसर है। आप समझ पा रहे हैं? मतलब अगर मैं कंक्लूड कर दूं इसको तो मैं ये कहूंगा, लुक एट द ऑप्शंस वेयर द सम ऑफ द टू स्पीड्स, द सम ऑफ द टू रेशियो टर्म्स गिवन इज डबल द डिफरेंस ऑफ द रेशियो टर्म्स, राइट? So here the sum is 3 plus 1 is 4 and the difference is 2, so this will be the answer. क्योंकि अगर स्पीड डबल हो गई तो टाइम तो हाफ हो ही जाएगा, राइट? एवरीबॉडी यस और नो? राइट? क्लियर? ओके। सो यूपीएससी का जो क्वेश्चन है ना, उसको करने की भी जरूरत नहीं थी जो क्वेश्चन उन्होंने पूछा है। इट वॉज नॉट नीडेड टू इवन सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन, just by looking at the option, just add them, subtract them, done. Right? I'll show you one more question like this. मुझे लगता है कि everybody, but नहीं ठीक है, हो गया. सिमिलर क्वेश्चन है यार. सो ठीक है गाइस, मुझे लगता है कि दिस टॉपिक इज ओवर. Who is that? So guys, this topic is over. All right. Yes. So this is the study material. ठीक है, चलिए. So everyone, thank you so very much. Let's meet on Monday now. Monday will be the new month, new week, new chapter, new day. Right? A lot of newness is there. So thank you guys. Thank you so very much. Thank you.